Hi everyone! Today we're not just going to cook a delicious meal, but also learn how to prepare the perfect investment portfolio. After all, investing is an art, just like cooking. Let's start with the base. Here we have lettuce. In investing, this is your index funds, a reliable foundation that works for almost everyone. They're stable, nourishing, and don't require any complicated recipes. Next, salt and parmesan. You don't need a lot of it, but without it the dish is bland. Bonds balance the flavor, and in your portfolio they reduce risk. Now for the spices. These are stocks. They add excitement and aroma to your portfolio. But the key is not to overdo it. Too many stocks can make your portfolio look too spicy, especially in volatile markets. And what about oil? That's your money or cash in a savings account. It doesn't add much flavor, but it smooths out the texture, making the dish more creamy. And in your portfolio, cash provides liquidity, so you can react quickly to changes. Finally, the vegetables. These represent gold and safe haven assets. They may not always stand out, but they add nutrition and health to your dish. And in your portfolio, they act as protection during crisis. And there you have it, our investment dish is ready. Just like in cooking, the key is balance. A little risk, a little stability, and you end up with something not just delicious, but also safe.